Okay, so moving on from the design process, I'm now going to show you physically how I'm pressing these plates into shape to make the lampshade section of this torch, which eventually should look like something like this. So I'm going to run through the process that I've used to do this. Basically, I've got my flat plates here, and the first thing I need to do is bend them into a shape here that makes them easier to press on this press that I've made myself, which is walnut wood cut using a bandsaw. Basically you can create, it's a bit like a jigsaw, so you can create quite intricate patterns, as you can see from the side. That's a profile of these shapes that I'm making. So to do that, I'm going into this vise here with two steel plates. Basically it's a small jig I've just welded up that allows me to line it up with the perforations I've designed into these metal plates, that I can then bend it so it allows the metal to bend in the right place when I put it into the press. It means I'm not having to put loads of pressure on the press, in which case which could break it, because in alternative ways of doing this you could have a metal press, which is quite expensive because it would have to be made out of steel and cast, and so this is a bit of a homemade job by Claire, but it actually does the job, and there's only 112 plates anyway, so it's fine, but it just takes a little bit of energy. Anyway, so this now goes into the press that I've made, which I'm going to screw in place because then it won't move once I put the pressure on in the vise. It's a little bit makeshift. Just putting a bit of pressure on it and then putting it straight into the vise. And basically I've got a long hole here to help me put some extra pressure on, not too much because I could actually break the press, which I don't want to, but this, just using this lever allows me to give it that extra bit of pressure, which will completely form that sheet steel for me. So we then take it out and hopefully it's pressed. Like so. So I'm just going to do now another 111 of those, and then I'll see you in with the spot welder, where I'm going to spot welder them together.